In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the number of sides on the Polygon tool in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you want to create a triangle, a pentagon, a hexagon, or even a 20-sided shape, Illustrator makes it incredibly easy once you know where to look. If you've ever been stuck trying to figure out how to adjust the sides, this quick guide will clear everything up. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Illustrator tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing one. Now, head over to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and locate the Rectangle tool. Click and hold on it to reveal the hidden shape tools. From the drop-down menu, select the Polygon tool. Now here's the first method, which is the fastest and most interactive way to change the number of sides. With the Polygon tool selected, click and drag on your artboard to start drawing a polygon. While you are still holding down your mouse button and dragging, look at your keyboard. If you press the up arrow key, Illustrator will add more sides to your polygon in real time. Keep tapping the up arrow and you'll see the number of sides increase instantly. If you press the down arrow key while still dragging, Illustrator will reduce the number of sides. This allows you to quickly switch from something like a hexagon down to a pentagon, square, or triangle. You can visually adjust the shape until you get exactly the number of sides you need. Once you're happy with the number of sides, simply release your mouse button to finish drawing the shape. That's it. This method is perfect when you want to experiment visually and decide on the number of sides as you draw. Now let's look at the second method, which gives you more precise control. Again, select the Polygon tool from the toolbar, but this time, instead of clicking and dragging, just click once on the artboard. Do not drag. When you single-click, a polygon dialog box will appear. Inside this dialog box, you'll see two fields. The first field is radius. This controls the overall size of your polygon. You can type in a specific value depending on how large you want the shape to be. The second field is sides. This is where you can manually enter the exact number of sides you want. For example, type 3 for a triangle, 5 for a pentagon, 8 for an octagon, or even 12 if you need a more complex shape. You can enter any number that fits your design needs. After entering your radius and sides values, click OK. Illustrator will instantly create a perfectly sized polygon with the exact number of sides you specified. This dialog box method is ideal when you need precision, especially for logos, geometric designs, technical illustrations, or anything that requires exact measurements. So just to quickly recap, if you want to adjust sides visually while drawing, click and drag, then use the up arrow to add sides and the down arrow to remove sides before releasing your mouse. If you need exact control, click once on the artboard with the Polygon tool and enter the number of sides in the dialog box. And that's how you change the number of sides on the Polygon tool in Adobe Illustrator. Super simple once you know the shortcuts. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.